program is.
Mawdiangum village has been honoured as one of the cleanest villages in the Nongpoh area during a Swachhata Hi Seva 2024 program. This recognition was announced by the Deputy Commissioner's office at an event held at the Circuit House in Nongpoh. The Swachhata Hi Seva initiative aims to promote cleanliness and discourage improper waste disposal, running from September 17 to October 2nd. MLA Meryl Bond's aim, who was the chief guest, joined by local leaders and students, emphasized community involvement. The Deputy Commissioner's office also awarded prizes to the village cleaners for their dedication to maintaining cleanliness.
Swachhata Hi Seva kadi kaktin kami lesen apring dufi ki bubun fi sufu lesen orang di bawah sufu kekran ang di kuat di subar. Namun kata ketika tahu lagi challenge ini kumpi kamu solusinya baik di posliu jong menteri lama di posliu jong sarkar pedeng bagi sarkar jelas berpeluang ke senang ke tahu ke berkut ke bersuara ialah yang banyak berpeluang.
The National Commission for the Protection of Child Rights, in collaboration